for you to work in a group. Your group will be assigned a commonly confused word, and then together, I'm really struggling with this microphone, guys. Together you're going to do two things, and then you'll present it to the class. One, you're going to figure out the word meaning, so which one means which, and then you're going to come up with a trick or a tip to help us remember the correct spelling for that meaning. Okay? Now, I want you to do it in a creative way. So, you could come up with a phrase that could help us remember, or you could think of a picture that would help us remember. Someone during first period did a rap to help us remember. It was awesome. Okay? It was Kendall Rasmussen. Okay. But come up with some kind of creative way to help us remember which spelling goes with which meaning. Okay? So here's a small example, a very small example, for the word to, T-O. So if you go to the city, you may go through a tunnel. The single O looks like a tunnel. Okay, so you're going to come up with some kind of trick to help us remember which way to spell different words that are commonly confused. For example, there, and there.
I don't understand this stuff.
I know. I know that they are still confused because I read your writing. What? Okay. What questions? Oh, right up here. What questions do you have by raise of hand? We are doing it in groups. We will be doing it in groups of 2 to 3. I have 11 of these. There are 34 people in our class with 1 person absent. We have 33 people, so groups of, no, we're missing 2. So groups of 3, but 1 group of 2. Okay. And I think I'm going to let you pick your own group for the first time all year. Wow. Yeah, so once you have your group, then you will come up and get a card with your group. And your group will have 10 minutes to come up with something, okay? And then we will present it to the class. So everybody look at me, not the person you want to be in a group with. Look at me for just a second. I know. We get excited. How long are you going to have with your group to come up with something? 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Let go 10 fingers. This is how many minutes, okay? So, make a group. If you're having a hard time finding a group, I will help you find a group, okay? Make a group. When you have a group, come to me and get a note card. We'll have 10 minutes with our group, all right?
I didn't know if you said this, but are we each getting one of the cards? Or?
Each group is getting a card. Yep. All right, great. Let's do it.
Caroline.
No, I'll be here. This is our group. If you need dictionaries, they're in the back. If you need a storybook, they're
No, we don't need it.
45 seconds, and I need the note cards back, and everybody in I have 2 note cards back. Out of 11, I need 9 more. Thank you. I have 3 note cards back. Out of 11, I have 4 note cards back. 5. 6 note cards out of 11. I'm missing 5 of them. 7. 8. Those combos. 9. I am missing 2 note cards. 10. I need 1 more. Thank you. 11. So, did you get it? Perfect. Will you plug it in when you put it away? Thank you. Perfect. Please pull out your composition notebooks and open to the notes section. You will need a full page this time. Thank you. So, we know probably. And title it commonly. Yep, in the notes. Commonly confused words. C-O-M-M-O-N-L-Y. Commonly. Confused. C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D. Confused words. Hopefully we know that one, but it's W-O-R-D-S. Commonly confused words. So, attention on me in 3, 2. Mouths closed, eyes up here. And 1. This is instructions for presenting. Okay? So I will call you up just in order that I have these note cards. And you will write the word on the board for us. When the presenters write the word on the board, I want you to write it into your composition notebook. Okay? Then when you present, tell us what each word means. So for example, if I was doing write and write, I would say W-R-I, right? That one means to write with a pen and pencil, or pencil in your hand, right? So write it on the board, tell us what it means, then tell us your trick. The rest of us, we're going to write the word, and then we're going to write the trick for remembering, okay? So while they are presenting, we will write the word, the words, and the trick for remembering. Any questions about that?
No.
Let's do it. Okay. We are going to actually start with write, and write.